Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Work on a clean, flat surface near a bright light source. Clear at least 2 feet around your Macbook to avoid drafts. Have a microfiber cloth, alcohol wipe, dust stickers, and squeegee ready. Peel the protector only when you are ready to apply immediately. Use an alignment, frame, or paper guides for a 13-inch or 16-inch screen to avoid crooked placement. Keep both hands steady and rest your wrists on the table to reduce tremor. Allow 2 minutes for the alcohol to evaporate before proceeding to the next step. Wipe the screen with an alcohol wipe in slow circular motions. Start from the center and move outward to avoid recontamination. Use a microfiber cloth to dry and polish without leaving lint or streaks on the glass. Inspect the screen under bright light at a 16:9 angle to reveal dust. Remove remaining particles with a dust sticker or tape before laying the protector down. Do one final wipe if you see fingerprints or oils that might trap bubbles. Work steadily and do not breathe directly on the screen. Align the protector using the frame or paper tabs before touching adhesive. Hold the protector by its sides and confirm camera and sensor cutouts match. Lay the protector slowly from one edge and smooth with a squeegee in even strokes. Use firm pressure and push bubbles outward toward the nearest edge or corner. If you find a small dust spot, lift the protector gently and remove the particle with a sticker. For stubborn bubbles, lift partially and reapply while using the squeegee to force air out. Wait 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.